Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create custom fields and specify lookup tables, lookup values for that particular field, but using outline code. Okay, now let's say in my previous video you saw that, let me go to resources, okay, to my resource sheet, that I created state of resource. But what if I want to use skills? If I want to know which skill has some of these resources. But this resource can be, a specific resource can be developer, let's say developer or tester, just for that. And developer can be C# developer or let's say .NET developer or Java developer, and the tester can be tester for applications, tester for reports, tester for webs. Okay, let me create that. How can I do that? And I will show it step by step. First of all, what I have to do is to create a new custom field for specific resource. And for that, I'm going to use project. And I will go to custom fields, I will choose resource, and from here I'm going to choose outline code. And that, in that outline code, I will rename it and I will call it skills. And I will say, okay, now I will choose lookup and I will click on lookup, but before I put anything here, I will edit mask here. And I will say, I need a character, okay, which will display my skills. And I will need a number, 3 and in length of 3, okay? So it means character can be any length, and number, which I will put, should be length 3. And now, you see, here I have characters and numbers. What can I do? I can go here. I displayed, I opened these two parts of the screen, and I will show you what happens if I now go to lookup table and enter values. Okay, now I will enter values. I will say, okay, developers. And here I will say, let's say 101 is, here I can put developers. I can put for 101 that this is C# developer. For 102, I can put that it is developer in .NET. And for 103, I can put, for example, Java. And now I'm going to choose another one, which will be, let's say, testers. And here I will say 201 is, and here I can put testers as well. For 201, I will say that it is application tester. Here for 202, this is these three numbers which I created. Application tester, here it is application testers. Okay, here I can say, let's say, report testers, whatever it might be. And for 203, I will say web testers. Okay, now I will choose those three and I will indent them. Okay, so you can see under developers, I have C#, .NET, and Java. And from 201, 202, and 203, when I have testers. Okay, now what should I do? I should say that use a value from this table as default. I don't want to put anything default, okay? And I will say that it should be sort ascending, and I don't want to allow anything from the user to be added here. And I will say close, okay? Remember, this is skills. Okay, once again, I created skills here, okay, in lookup table by using mask, which will say I will have character as level 1 and numbers as level 2, and in characters I put developers and tester, and in numbers, which is 3 length of 3, I used 101, my code is for C#, 102 is for .NET, 103 is for Java, and for tester it starts with 200, 201 is application, 202 is report, and 203 is for web testers. Now close, okay, okay, and now what am I going to do? I'm going to click here on the upper left corner. I'm going to use more tables. I'm going to use entry table. I will going to edit it. And at the end of this table, you see that in my previous video, I added state, and now I will say skills. So I can put here skills, okay, and it will be left, and I will say skills, and it will be left, and I will click on OK, and I will say apply. You see skills, and now I can choose that it is developer at general, but I can say this one is C# developer, sorry, this one is developer number 101, so C# developer, this is 102, it is net developer, 300, and this is Java. This one is tester for report tester, this one is for web tester, etc., etc., and that's all. Okay? If I wanted, for example, not to have on outline code, I could change that in a way that it will be more meaningful. Let me show you that. Let me erase this one. And I can go here in custom fields, and I can go here, and I will say, I don't want this one, I want edit mask, and I will say characters, okay? And I will say here that it is also character and any. What will I have here? Okay, I will put here C#, I will put here .NET, I will put here Java, I will put here application, I will put here report, and I will put here web. And when I click on close and OK, if I go now to skills, I will see developers, developers.net. So here I see developers.net, developers C#, developers Java, tester application, tester reports, tester web. So when you have outline code, you will see both levels. Once again, here they are. Both levels are here. The first level and then C#. So you can see here, okay, let me move it. Oh, come on, I cannot move it. So maybe I can, no, I cannot show it. So it is tester application. So you can see when I close this one, okay, cancel, tester application is here. So anyhow, whatever you use, it is very useful if you are going to use outline codes. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. Bye.